Welcome to Cafe Enoma and welcome to our reaction to Nickelback, and we're going to react to the song Do This Anymore. This is the first time listening.
Yeah.
Do This Anymore. I'm wondering why Do This Anymore. What does that mean?
Nickelback is, we've listened to a couple
few
of
songs, yes.
good songs.
I like Photograph.
Yeah, Photograph, I was just going to say the same thing. So, looking forward to this one. It's been a while. Let's listen to Nickelback, Do This Anymore.
Left on an eastbound train, gone first thing this morning. Why is what's best for you always the worst thing for me? When am I gonna learn? Why? 'Cause I'm tired of hating. When will it be your turn? Why? 'Cause I'm tired of waiting. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Well, no, I don't. Fuck faith in your false feelings. Not fooled by your misleadings. Won't buy this line you're selling. Tired of this lie you're telling. I won't. I don't. No, I won't do this anymore. I won't. I don't. No, I won't do this anymore. Whoa, whoa, whoa. She says I'm only telling half of it. That's probably 'cause there's only half worth telling. And every time I try to laugh it off, that's when you turn around, wind up yelling. When am I gonna learn? Why? 'Cause I'm tired of hating. When will it be your turn? Why? 'Cause I'm tired of waiting. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't fight faith in your false feelings. Not fooled by your misleadings. Won't buy this line you're selling. Tired of this lie you're telling. I won't. I don't. No, I won't do this anymore. I won't. I don't. No, I won't do this anymore. Whoa, whoa, She says I'm only telling half of it. Probably 'cause there's only half worth telling. And every time I try to laugh it off, that's when you turn around, wind up yelling. When am I gonna learn? Why? 'Cause I'm tired of hating. When will it be your turn? Why? 'Cause I'm tired of waiting. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't fight faith in your false feelings. Not fooled by your misleadings. Won't buy this line you're selling. Tired of this lie you're telling. I won't. I don't. No, I won't do this anymore. I won't. I don't. No, I won't do this anymore. Whoa,
Wow.
Wow, easily the best song that
Yes,
I've heard
we heard
today.
today. Yes,
In
for
my
me too.
Thailand
Our
t-shirt.
thoughts meet.
Wow, they put their heart and soul into it, especially the singer
Yeah.
and that
Even the guitar player, yeah.
Whoa, they really have passion overflowing.
This kind of music doesn't you know, you don't need coffee, a cup of coffee, if you listen to music like this.
In the morning.
Yeah. I like that. I like that. The passion in it, the strength in it, the power, the way he was singing, I won't do this anymore. That's when it made more sense to me, do this anymore. I was wondering, what is this, do this anymore? But this was Papak. Vocal strength, vocal performance, then the guitar playing, and the way it is written. This was amazing. This was sizzling hot, the way it is sung.
And the lyrics take up a topic which we've heard hundreds of times
Yeah.
before, but they gave their own spin to it. They flooded it
personal.
with substance,
Yeah.
made it so relatable to so many people with different things, including body language cues in certain lines, talking about that he's just not going to take it anymore.
Not anymore.
He's been through it so many times now, the same old, he's done. He's done. He's not going to take it anymore. He's had enough. He's had it up to here maybe. He's drowning in all that bull and he's done.
I like that sound that he created. So much of something that is filled in.
Yeah, I guess that is what they were trying to show. What he was trying to show.
I like it. I definitely like the involvement in the song of the band. They were fully into it. And you feel it.
This is a really, really good
It's
song.
a great song.
Really good song. Do this anymore, yeah. Wow. That's about it for this one.
Yes. Thank you for watching. Welcome to Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Dawkins, and we are going to react to the song In My Dreams. First time single take honest reaction to In My Dreams. Let's get started with it.
In my dreams, it's still the same. Your love is strong, it still remains. Toss and turn all night in the sheets, but I can't sleep. Night after night, don't know what it means.
He lives in his dreams for sure. He's talking all about his dreams, how things are untouched, how things haven't changed. Everything seems to be all good in his dreams, but I think that's only limited to his dreams. Everything is the same. She still likes him. Their love is strong and everything. In reality, I think it's the contrary. This song sounded like Queen's metal version, isn't it? The way the vocals were arranged, it sounded more like Queen singing and the heavier guitars and everything playing. That is how the sound of this song was, at least the vocal arrangement, what they did.
It's a pretty good song. Very limited lyrics, repeated till the very end.
Yeah.
Messages loud and clear. In my dreams, everything's the same, just like it was before between us. In reality, she's walked out the door. No, that's the story of
Yeah,
the
you spell
story
it out
of-
then.
But more than the vocals, more than the storyline, it's purely more than the lyrics rather.
Right.
It's purely the guitar work that stood out for me. The guitar work in this one was exceptional.
Okay.
It was really, really high quality stuff and really good to listen to. Yeah. More guitar work.
No guitar work.
Yeah, the guitar work is really good in this one. The guitaring, yeah, I don't know if you can call it solos as such because there was a lot more happening alongside
They
it.
call it guitar playing, not guitaring.
Yeah, guitar playing, guitar work, guitaring. Take your pick, and I think for every music lover or person who loves the guitar, I think they can say it any way they want,
What they
and that's
like.
what I do.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it for this one, I think. And nothing really more to add about the lyrics or anything else.
Yeah, it's all
Yeah.
in the dreams. Thank you for watching.